So I'm logged in with GitHub. Log out, can log back in with GitHub, and then I'm looking at the all challenges pages where you can search and filter for each challenge. By default, the ended are hidden. You can click show ended and ended show. By default, it's sorted by the challenges that end first, with the end date being first. I can sort, so word shadows, and challenge shows up. I can filter by challenges that have 1 to 10 users. Or I can filter by the ones that have none, which are the majority. Under your work, if I ever created any challenges, it would show here. Any submissions would show here. Any bookmarks and bookmark challenges I have will show here. I can create a challenge, random description. Each challenge comes with a skill level. If you don't set a skill level or a genre, then it will go to beginner and general. You can set a time limit, word limit, character limit, required phrase. Set a required phrase. You separate each one with a new line. You enter the prompt, which is what the user will respond to. Set a start date. I want to do one that hasn't started yet so I can demonstrate the editing purposes. You just verify that everything that you entered is correct. If not, you can just go back. If it is, press create challenge. I got a new notification up here that would tell me that I created the challenge successfully. I have 3 seconds to automatically take you to the challenge page, and it's upcoming, and so I can edit it now. Even because I am an admin user, so I would be able to do the challenge no matter the status of it, but I can only edit the challenge if it's upcoming and not in progress, scoring, or ended. So to update, I do this is a prompt, whatever that word is, update the challenge. Challenge updated successfully. Where is it? This is prompt, though, prompt, yeah. And also delete the challenge. Deleting challenge will redirect me back to the all challenges pages. I can do a challenge where I can do a submission. I wouldn't be able to get a good score on this because I'm not going to do, it's like time limit, the minimum time is like 90 minutes to 180 minutes. But it's just a demonstration. So there's a countdown here because it has a maximum time limit, then it's going to count down. But if it didn't have a max time limit, then it would be counting up from 0. The word count and the character count, because some of the challenges have a word and character limit, so you can keep track of that down there. Submit the challenge. Challenge submitted, created successfully. I can go to your work, my work, whatever, and then I can also view that submission here. You can comment on it. You get an automatic comment. I can upvote it. And the way the scoring will work is each one gets scored based on if they did the required phrases, if there are any, they hit the required word limit or character limit, or if they hit the required time limit. And then submissions that have a score of 80 plus are eligible to be winners. And so then the winners are then determined by how many upvotes they have, and the top 3 submissions with the most upvotes will be declared the winners. Um, Again, because I'm admin, I can go to the admin page and I can reset the full database. I can see the default users. I can see default challenges. I can do a new notification. And this, I can create one notification to go to one user or to all users, except for the current user and except for the deleted user, and then the Promptify bot, as those are just basic um, accounts to get the functionality of the app going. I can create new users, just like to get uh, base and default data in here. Um, As I said before, on the settings, I can also go and delete the profile. Let's try to do that with another one. Or I could do it with that one, but that'd be easier. I don't know the other users right now. But to delete, I would do typing delete and then the username, and then the button would come up, delete, and then it would log you out, delete the user. It would take you to, or ask you to log in. If you don't log in, because you're trying to view a settings page, with the settings page, you're only viewable to login users. So if you're not logged in, it asks you to log in or sign up. Click X, then it's going to take you, redirect you to the home page. As I'm not logged in as an admin right now, if I try to go to admin, then it's just going to take me to a 404. That's only for admin. So if I try to create an account with a username or email that's already in use, and hey, oh yeah, I forgot. I just delete that user, didn't I? Okay, now try again. I try again to create an account with a username and email that already exist, and then I get an error because the username and emails are unique, have unique constraints within the database. And so to go against that, I would get an error. How typical. If I try to create an account with the username or email that already exists, then I get an error. Here it says username or email already exists. Close it. Actually, I should try again. But and then this is it's deployed on render, and then to show the front end and back end. For the back end, I'm using Express. In the front end, I'm using React. To show the components and such, I have the all challenges, and then here's the challenge card that is reused also on the your work page, and then the challenge filters is a component. Here's the challenge card component to display some of the routes and requests I have. But this one's the default, so the admin can be reset. You need to other reset defaults. It's just a reset full database, which just sets in the default database users and challenges and such. User routes here is delete, patch, get, and post request. And in the tables, the challenge tables. Each of these tables has a unique constraint of ID, except for the user followers. The user followers is a one-on-one, which it has follower ID and following ID, or it's a join table, sorry. Upvotes is the one-to-one, where it has the ID, user ID, submission ID. And yeah,